The Chevrolet Monza SL/E 1985 represents a key chapter in Chevrolet's history, embodying the blend of American engineering and the evolving tastes of car enthusiasts in the 1980s. The Monza series, introduced in the mid-1970s, was designed to compete in the compact car market, catering to drivers who desired sporty styling and performance without the full-size vehicle footprint. Design and styling. The 1985 Monza SL/E featured a distinctive and aerodynamic design that marked the era's shift towards more streamlined vehicles. Its low, wide stance gave it a sporty appearance, while the front end included sharp, angular headlights and a prominent grille. The SL/E trim level was distinguished by its sportier look, including alloy wheels and a more aggressive body kit compared to the base models. Inside, the Monza SL/E offered a driver-focused cockpit with a dashboard layout designed for functionality and ease of use. The interior was equipped with sports seats, a tachometer, and an upgraded audio system. The cabin design aimed to provide comfort and support for spirited driving, reflecting the vehicle's sporty intent. Performance and specifications. Engine and transmission. The 1985 Monza SL/E was typically equipped with a 2.8-liter V6 engine, which was a significant upgrade over the base four-cylinder engines available in other trims. This V6 engine delivered a balance of performance and fuel efficiency, producing around 135 horsepower. It was paired with a 5-speed manual transmission or an optional automatic transmission, allowing drivers to choose between a more engaging driving experience or convenience. Handling and ride quality. The Monza SL/E featured a front independent suspension and a rear live axle, which contributed to a relatively firm ride. Its suspension setup was designed to offer a blend of handling precision and comfort, suitable for both daily driving and more spirited driving scenarios. The car's lower ride height and wider track helped enhance its stability and cornering capabilities. Market position and competition. During the mid-1980s, the Chevrolet Monza SL/E competed with other compact and sporty vehicles, such as the Ford Mustang, Pontiac Fiero, and Dodge Daytona. While not as well known as some of its competitors, the Monza SL/E carved out a niche among drivers seeking a unique blend of sporty styling and practical daily use. The Monza's appeal was partly due to its affordability and the value it offered compared to some of its more expensive competitors. However, it also faced challenges from more refined and technologically advanced vehicles that were emerging during this period. Cultural and enthusiast appeal. The Monza SL/E remains a notable example of 1980s American automotive design. Its combination of sporty aesthetics and performance at a reasonable price made it a popular choice among enthusiasts of the era. Today, it is remembered fondly by collectors and classic car enthusiasts, who appreciate its place in automotive history. Restoration and collectability. As with many vehicles from the 1980s, finding well-preserved Monza SL/E models can be challenging. Restoring a Monza SL/E requires attention to detail, especially in maintaining the original design elements and performance specifications. Classic car clubs and forums dedicated to Chevrolet models often feature the Monza SL/E as a subject of interest, reflecting its ongoing appeal. Conclusion. The Chevrolet Monza SL/E 1985 is a noteworthy vehicle that encapsulates the spirit of 1980s American compact cars. Its sporty design, respectable performance, and relative affordability made it a compelling choice for car buyers of the era. As a classic car today, it represents an important piece of Chevrolet's automotive legacy and continues to be appreciated by enthusiasts for its unique place in automotive history.